Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr.Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be fit and fine, happy, healthy and hearty. Today we are going to discuss about the constipation series 2. I have started this constipation series where I am going to discuss many things about the constipation in the children. In the first part what we have seen is what exactly is the constipation. Constipation is passing the hard stool. It is not related with the number of the days. If the child is passing the hard stool, he has to strain, then yes, we can consider it as a constipation. But many times parents are considering related with the days. Like if the child has not passed for the 5 days, they are labeling as a constipation, which is not true. That I have discussed in the first part. In the first part, what I have informed you about it, what is the mechanism or what is the process, how the constipation develops. The holding pattern of the child will hold the stool, he will not pass the stool will become hard, it will become more painful passage, and that cycle keeps on going. That's how the constipation develops. Today what we are going to discuss is about the causes, the common causes of the constipation and the common mistakes which parents does which leads to the constipation. So that is also I'm going to discuss in this video. Video is going to be a little bit more useful to you because it will involve a lot of things, a lot of causes of the constipation and which can be managed by parents themselves at home. So watch this video till end. It will give you a lot of useful information. Thank you very much. Friends, let's come to the causes of the constipation. I'm not going to elaborate all the causes, but some of the important causes which can be dealt at home without doctor's help, that I'm going to inform you today. And by knowing these causes, you can modify your diet pattern, you can modify your child's habit so that child will not develop the constipation. Those things I'm going to discuss in this video. There are thousands and thousands of the causes of the constipation, medically, textbook related, that I'm not going to discuss today. Now, first and foremost thing which I'm going to tell you is the commonest reason of constipation in children is related with the diet. The diet plays a very important role in the baby's habit related with the food itself and related with the passing the stool also. So the diet, to manage the diet of the children are very, very important so that child should not develop the constipation. What are the common mistakes parents does so that child develop the constipation? Among them, first and foremost is the excess use of the milk. As I have discussed previously in my previous videos of how much milk child should get. So that is, I have made it very clear that how much milk the child is needed for their growth and not compromising their health. Many times what happens that child keeps on consuming lot of amount of the milk. I have seen the parents who are giving 1 liter, 2 liter of the milk even after the 1 year of the age. Excess milk consumes lot of amount of the calcium by the patient, by the child, and so that more calcium causes the constipation in the children. So the milk consumption after 1 year of the age should be limited to around 400 ml in a day. And as child will grow a little bit older, maybe you can increase 100 or 100 ml more. Don't go more than 500 to 600 ml milk in a day. More milk, more calcium in the intestine causes more constipation. So these are common mistakes parent does. Second thing is about the fibers in the diet. Most of the children's, what I am seeing in the OPDs are the lack of the fibers in the diet. They are more on the rice or more on the wheat, but the diet is not balanced. They are not taking the fruits and the vegetables as per the required quantity, or they are not taking at all. So that is one of the common cause of the constipation in the children. Third thing, a lot of parents are buying the multivitamins, medications over the counter, which contains the iron. Iron causes the prominently constipation in the children. If the child keeps on consuming iron for a longer time, it is a very important cause of the constipation in the babies. Another thing is about the water consumption. children are not drinking enough amount of the liquid. It can be either in the water, it can be the juice, it can be the soup. If there is no liquid in the diet, the stool will not become soft. Stool will not become the soft, body will keeps on absorbing the water from the intestine, stool become hard, child will become the constipation. So providing the liquid, providing the water, the diet, in the diet to the children is very important. Remember one thing, when you give the juices, fruit juices to the children, it is not recommended, and if you have to give, then don't add the extra sugar. Rather than the fruit juices, raw fruits are advisable. But that also, if the child has started weaning, child has started eating the food, as if the child is able to swallow it, chew it, then you can introduce a cut fruits in the diet of the child. That is very important. If we remove the diet in the causes of the constipation, next thing is the habit formation or the toilet training. Some parents start a toilet training very early, maybe around 9 or 10 months of the age. That is very early for the child to start a toilet training. That can be the cause of the constipation in the children. And sometimes the parents start the toilet training very late. That also the cause of the constipation. When to start a potty training and how to start a potty training, I have prepared 3 separate videos. You can go through it. It will give you the information that when is the correct time. I will inform you in the brief. When the child shows the signs that he is feeling the pressure over the rectum or the anal, and he shows the sign, he will go and stand into the corner, he will hold the furniture and shows the expression of passing the stool. That is the correct time when you have to start the toilet training in the children. If you are starting very early, then also it can cause a problem. One problem which I have discussed in the previous video of the constipation is early morning schools. When the child has to go to the school in the early morning, they skip their toilet sessions, so that will make the stool more hard. So either you wake up child early so that he get enough time to pass the stool. And if the child is not going to school when he is in the younger age group, make the habit for the child to sit on the potty 5 to 10 minutes at a specific time. Even if he passes the stool or not passes the stool, that will start developing habits so that can protect or that can prevent the constipation in the children. So diet is very important for the constipation, habits are very important, toilet trainings are very important. All these are the important causes of the constipation in the children. In the coming video, I am going to show you that what are the things which you can do at home to prevent the constipation. So mainly focusing on the diet, that how to arrange the diet. Though I have already prepared 3 or 4 videos on the diet, how to start the food in the children, what are the specific requirement of the food at the 6 months of age, 1 year of age. You can go through all those videos also. That will give you the useful information how to start a diet and what are the food you can start. So friends, this is the brief about the constipation series video. This is the video 2. I hope I have given the useful information. In the next session, we will discuss about the treatment part, something related to treatment, how to do the treatment at home. I hope this will give you useful information, and if you like the video, share with your friends. It will help you and help your friends also how to do the parenting, how to go about the constipation. And if you are first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe as well. Thank you very much.